Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, we will recover the topic yearly timer. In previous video, we discussed about the weekly timer. Now in this video, we will recover the topic of yearly timer. How we can use the yearly timer in Siemens PLC logo. Go to our software, logo soft comfort software, and here when you scroll down and you can find the in special functions timer category, there is a yearly timer. In previous video we discussed about this weekly timer. Now we will recover this yearly timer. Click it on this one and place it here. We can make it little big after you can place it here. And one output we will be choose for test our logic. So and connect this one with the output. This commit name we can give yearly timer. Yearly TAMER, and this we can use as a block properties. We can give the comment, for example, pump. You can use also a bell ringing, bell, school bell, or a home bell, or any close the door, open the door, whatever you are any online, offline. Also you can use in various projects. You can design this program. An example, you have a garden, you like to be make it one pump on for 5 minutes or 1 day or 2 day, whatever which time you like to be settable. Set the time. After this will be automatically working on and off. How it works? Go to the block properties, and here we can see this is the two patterns, yearly and monthly. So first we will discuss about yearly. An example, there is a 2000 means I want to start, yani now this year is running 2000 or 1924 or whatever, yani, and next we can put this one in 2001. For example, you like to be or 2008, any value you can choose. This it's depend on your mood. And this is the month, which month you like to be start your pump. For example, this is the first month, this is the second, this is third. An example, you like to be start your pump at the third month, means on March first day, and after you like to be stop this one in 4 month or in 3 month, the second day. Okay, 12 hours or 24 hours you like to be run the pump, and after it will be stopped. On time is the 2000 March 1 it will be start, and in March also. And also if you like to change this one, I will put this one 4, no problem. This 4 April like to be stopped at the day 2, and click OK, and your time is now ready. Means this is pattern you can see. This is the year, month, day. Means this is the 2000, and this is the March, and first day you need to be run your output. Okay, and what we will be do, we will use the simulation, and here you can see the time running of the PLC. This is the time running of PLC. Click it on this one and you can find it here. For an example, we will choose this one, and this is the this we designed it March, and we will run this one in February, because of when running the February and the end of month, next month will be started after 12 o'clock night. It will be automatically go into the next month. That's we choose this February and this 2025, and we will use this one 2000. any you can choose. This is 2000 for example, 2000. This is the random value for example, and it the day we choose for the first, and we like to be start in the March 3, and we will use the February, right? And the 3 in the March, and this is the February 3 2000. Now an example, this is the current time is running, and the time format we can choose it here. 23, 23 means 11 o'clock, and this we can change the 59 means the end of the hour, and here we can choose for example 50, 50 seconds means 10 seconds after it will be go to the next, and we can apply this one. This is the February 3 and 2000 and 11 o'clock. This is the 59, as its time will be completed at this one, it will be jump into the next month. This is the February, we have to be design the March. Okay, this we can choose in the March, sorry, February, and this is 29 because of this is the first date, end of the February, when start the March. In the March, this is the first day, that's we have to be choose, and 23 11 o'clock 59 minutes and 50 seconds means 10 seconds after our output needs to be on. Click on apply, and this random time will be started, and this is now you can see this is 55 57, and this is the end of month February 29, and you can see as this time is completed at next day in March 1 2000. This is decided here March 3 to 1 day, this our output is on. And with what we decide here means this is 2008 means this is the 2000, and we can change this year also 2008, we can fix directly after this time will be continue. This is for testing purpose, yani the March 8, sorry February, this is the 8 2008, sorry, and fourth month means April, and we have to be choose here March, March end of the 31. This is 31 yani end of the March, and day 2 it will be on. Okay, day 2, and apply this one 31, we have to be put it here March 1, March 1, and this is second day when apply, after it will be go into the second. This is the March 1 2008 now running, and when after 10 seconds it will be jump into the next 4 April day 2, right? 4 April, March 1, this is time is something we have to be calculation. See, this is the March 1, March, April, sorry, we can be used in the April because of we are using the 2 date, and the mass we have to be jump in the second day, right? We jump into the second day. This is the first day, and we have to be jump into the second day, and now we apply again, and you can see this is now 23 means 11 o'clock 59 and 59 seconds as well. This time completed, and this month April, the first day jumps into the second day in means night 12 o'clock after change the time. Understand? And now let's talk about this monthly. First we use this one yearly, for example 1 year after you like to be make it on, or 2 years like to be make it on, any time when you like to make it on, you can setting here. And now for example we have to be used only for monthly. In monthly 2000 we have to be use this first month, 2 month, 3 month, which month you like to use, that month will be start your pump, and after it will be stop at the, for example, for next 1 day after you have to be stop the pump. Apply these changes and click OK. And what is here now defined in 2000, this 3 day it will be start. So what we will do here, we can change this one April, we use March, we need to in the running in the March, so we will be put in the February, right? And this one 2000 you have to be put, this is random time we will be fixed, and which day, day 3 we will be selected, and this 2 February 2 we selected, and the 11 o'clock it will be changed into the March, right? No, not change in the March, this is 29 February, this is 2000. Let's apply and check this one. Means now today's the time is February 29, our time is running, and as well it's start this March 1, it will be stop, it will be start, sorry, March 1 2000, but we decided March 3, right? We have to be choose this one March 3, March 3, and this 3 2000, apply this one, you can see this is now on, but this is we have to be choose this one 29 February and 11 o'clock and apply this one, because of we decided here for 3 March, now 29 February, and it will be after 1 second it have to be go into the next month. March is it's jump into the March 1, so we no need in the March 1, we have to be decided here. 1 second, this is time calculations, we can see this is the day 3 we selected in this month, yani which month we are using, we use the day 3. And for the testing we have to be check again. For example, I will apply, this is then February running, yeah sorry, this one we have to be choose this one day 2, this because of day 2 February, and we choose this March, and this also we will choose in the March, this is day 2, okay, and you can set this time. Now you will be see after this will be 1 second, 4 5 6 7 8 9, and when 12 o'clock it will be jump into the next day number 3, it will be start, and when it will be stop, we just do for next day, means in the March 4, yani number 4 day in the next day. So what we will be do, we can change it here the time 3, okay, it will be after 10 seconds it will be move the value, and this will be stop 7 8 9 and 12. When next day will be started after means 11:59 night, it will be stop. So hope guys you will be understand about this function. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section, I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching, Allah Hafiz.